Welcome, fellow travelers. Today, we have a special edition of our travel guide for all you wanderers out there. We'll be sharing the top 5 things you must do before embarking on your next adventure. Let's dive right in. Briefcase, left magnifying glass. 1. Research your destination. Before you travel, it's crucial to research your destination thoroughly. Discover its culture, customs, local attractions, and must-visit spots. Gather useful information about transportation, weather conditions, and any specific travel requirements. 2. Plan your itinerary. Create a detailed itinerary outlining the places you want to explore. Prioritize attractions, activities, and experiences based on your interests. Leave room for flexibility in spontaneous adventures. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination! !Adventure awaits. World map, sunny with clouds. 3. Pack smart. Pack light, pack smart. Make a checklist of essentials including clothing suitable for the weather, toiletries, medications, and travel documents. Organize your belongings efficiently to maximize space. Don't forget a universal adapter and a portable charger to stay connected on the go! !Pack like a pro. Satchel, electric plug. 4. Secure your home. It's crucial to ensure the security of your home before you leave. Lock all doors and windows, set up timers for lights, and notify a trusted neighbor or friend about your absence. Consider suspending regular deliveries and redirecting mail to avoid piling up. Peace of mind is priceless. #home security, house with garden, lock. 5. Get travel insurance. Last but certainly not least, protect yourself with travel insurance. It offers financial coverage for unexpected events such as trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. It's a small investment that guarantees peace of mind throughout your journey. #travel safe, shield, airplane. And there you have it, our top 5 must-do things before you embark on your next adventure. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us on our travel escapades. Bon voyage, fellow travelers. Happy exploring, glowing star.